Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a text behind person effect in Capcut. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to just simply open up Capcut application and open up the video, and after opening up the video, here you guys have to just simply click on the text section and write a text. So I'm just writing a text, and now you guys have to simply adjust it according to your needs. I'm selecting this one, and now after adding the text, you guys have to just simply go adjust this text layer, drag it to the whole video. So after dragging it to the whole video, now you guys have to just simply export the video and click on save. So after exporting the video, now you guys have to just simply go back and click on new project and add the edited version of that previous video. So after adding that video, now you guys have to just simply click on overlay button and click on add overlay, and you guys have to just simply add an unedited version of that video. Now you guys can be able to see I have added the unedited version of that video, and I have to just simply drag it to the whole screen until it fits the whole screen. So after fitting it, you guys have to just simply go to swipe right the below panel, and until you find an option which is remove BG, you guys have to just simply click on it and click on auto removal. It will take some time, and here you guys can be able to see our text behind the object has been added. In this way you guys can add text behind the person effect in Capcut. I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.